Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to program a Roku TV remote. So there are like few things that you must know, like either you have a Roku simple remote or you have a Roku voice remote. So I'll show you the process, like if you want to set up both the remotes, so how can you do it? So let's move up to the first one, like Roku simple remote. How to tell if if you have a Roku simple remote? Like here are like few things that if you have a standard remote, Roku Player's remote, Roku TV remote, or IR remotes, and here is like your remote might look like. Like if you have a Roku Player's remote, this is what it looks like, and if you have a Roku TV remote, this is what it looks like. So make sure to match your remote before you try up any method. And let's say you have matched the remote. The next step will be if your remote has a voice button like this will be the Roku voice remote. And here is the how to set up your Roku simple remote. To set up a simple remote, you only need to insert new matching batteries or remove the battery pull tab and point the remote at the front of your Roku device. It's that simple. Like make sure to follow this process, like remove it, insert new batteries, put it in front of Roku device, and you're done. And now let's say that you have a Roku voice remote. So how can you identify it? Like you will be able to find this kind of option like a voice or a search button on your remote TV. As you can see, like there are three types of remotes: search section on this or in the center, or like a voice button. And now let's say you have a Roku simple remote, like let's say you have a voice remote. So how can you solve this? If your Roku streaming device came with a Roku voice remote, you will need to pair it during the initial setup and activation process. Like if you skipped it during that process, you will not be able to do it. So make sure to do the setup during the initial setup and activation process, and you can pair your Roku voice remote with your Roku TV. So that is a simple and easy process. Or either you want to connect your Roku voice remote or you want to set up your Roku simple remote. So that is simple and easy process.